In Conway, police are seeing success in partnering officers with social workers.
Neil Zarang is in Conway telling us more about how these teams came about and actually how they're working. Neil, it's a great concept.
It is, Bob. Laura, the first community crisis response team formed late last year to respond to anyone who may be suffering a mental health emergency. A few weeks ago, that one team expanded to 2. Loading up from these specifically marked cars, you'll always find 2 people, one Conway police officer and one social worker. Responding specifically to mental health calls, each brings their own strengths.
She can let me know, hey, I've dealt with them before. This is how they interact with officers.
You kind of get cynical about dealing with sick people, but with him not knowing anything about it, he'll be like, well, maybe this is why they're acting like that. And I'm like, yeah, you're probably right.
Officer Hannah Fleming and Care Coordinator Jarvis Kerrigan are the first community crisis response team introduced in October. In that time, they responded to over 400 calls and referred almost 350 people to help, counseling, or treatment. Team Supervisor Andrew Johnson says the most dangerous responses are still handled by patrolmen.
We're doing our best to be as preventative as we can to keep it from getting to that next level where it's suicidal, homicidal, or not taking care of themselves.
Both teams have 160 hours of training to be able to identify needs, de-escalate a person, and then make the phone calls to connect them with the proper resource, and in some cases, even take them there.
Say we need to take someone to a shelter that's outside of Conway, we can do that, when a normal patrolman couldn't do that.
With the second team launching in February, they hope to do even more checking in with those they've already helped.
We call them back like 3 weeks later and they're like, I'm doing great. I got my life, it's on track, going to school, got a new job. Those are few and far between doing this, but that's what keeps me going.
Hopefully more things like that happening in the future. This is all made possible through a federal grant, $452,000 over 3 years, awarded to just 36 agencies nationwide. Conway told me they were the only recipient that year in Arkansas. Reporting live in Conway, I'm Neil Zarang.